I am going to be traveling 416 miles to Del Rio, link up with my boy Oscar, and fish Amistad Lake.
I'll have one
And also do some creek fishing, then drive out another 156 miles to San Antonio to fish a well-known place known as the Riverwalk. So join me on this 3-day adventure.
Man, what's so funny is look at how close we're on the street, guys. Like literally, look. Oh crap, did you guys see that? Damn guys, there's some big old bass right there. Yo, what's going down, fishing fam? Today we're gonna make a 2.5 hour, 3 hour almost drive to San Antonio. In San Antonio, we're basically what would you call it? Pond hopping?
Well, we're gonna fish the San Antonio River in different spots.
So the San Antonio River, it's just different locations.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. So I guess we're gonna be fishing around the San Antonio River, different spots. One of Oscar's boys lives out there, so he set us up with some spots. Hopefully they're fire. I fished San Antonio, but I've never fished these spots that we're going to. So hopefully we hook into a few. Y'all stay tuned.
Make sure you watch the property lines and everything.
Yeah.
Around here,
Okay.
Okay.
All right, appreciate it. Thank
Appreciate it. Thank you. Be safe out there. All right, guys. We finally made it. Right there. Tie on. I think I'm gonna tie on a Texas rig, and I'm also gonna have a little Cinco. And let's go. Let's do it.
You're going down that way? It depends what side you want to fish on. The left side, this side, or that side?
Which one's better?
I think one on the right
This one?
side. No, keep wrong.
Across the,
Walking straight.
that way.
Walk straight.
Wait, so you get down it through here?
Yeah.
And you walk down?
It's too hot. You know what I mean?
Even fish under this bridge real quick. Oh yeah, there's baby bass in here. There's small bass.
Small?
Yeah. But that's all I saw right now. You know how dumb those things are. So
Cinco?
yeah, I'm gonna throw my cream lure.
Oh, that might stick. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I should do.
Yeah. That cream lure, guys. This is pretty cool that you can fish in a shady spot and catch freaking bass. So this guy's in here, you know, Mama's over there. It's pretty cool, guys. Yeah. Hey, check it out, guys. There's a snake right there. What kind of snake is that? What kind of snake is that? You think I can catch it? You think I can catch it? It's not a rattlesnake because it doesn't have a rattle on it. It's going underwater. Velvet taco? I think a rat or something grabbed it, guys. There's a huge fish down there, but I can't see what the hell it is. Is there a fish on that bed?
It could have been the one that you just caught.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, I do. Oh,
That's the same one.
I don't know. But he came in. He attacked it so fast. Look at that, guys. That fish barely hit the water, and this guy was all over that crap. Look at that guy. It's a nice little one, guys. He was under this rock. On this rock right here. Gosh damn, guys, there's some big old bass right there. There's 3 big ones. Slow. Pop, pop, and then let it die. Pop, pop, let it die. This guy freaking inhaled this bait, guys. He's good. Oh, look at them hands, guys. Gosh, damn. He came from far too. Yeah, you're around some little one. The littlest one out of all 3. The bigger ones went right here. I'm gonna see if I can get them. They went under this, no, under this, freaking crap. I don't know whatever that stuff is. I don't know if they kept swimming or they're under here. I'm telling you, that thing will even eat a frog. This is one of the average size ones. There's a bigger one down there. Yeah, throw it. Look at that, guys. Yeah, they're in my pocket. They're in my pocket. Oscar, look, there's another snake.
Where?
On the lily pads.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that frog. Yep. That was crazy. Did you guys see that? Right, you see in the front of the point, like where he's right there. Make it really subtle, man. Like leave it on the ground for a little bit. Underhand. No, like this, Oscar. You're gonna bring the bait to you, swing it to you, and then when it's going back, you're gonna, there you go, swing it to you, and then there you go. There you go, Oscar. There you go. Try to make sure you're in the shade though. And I pray you get that guy. Yeah, you're gonna have to like leave it subtle because he's really lethargic right now. He's really freaking web one. Like I just seen him gliding, fool. He hasn't even been like swimming or anything. He's just barely moving. I think this is the one I caught earlier. Looks like the guy I caught earlier. Gonna split up a storm real quick. All right, that's gonna be it for us, guys. Running back to Del Rio. Overall, man, I didn't know there was a fish like that at where were we at
San Antonio River, or
Yeah.
AKA the Riverwalk.
the Riverwalk.
Not
man.
the tourist area though.
Yeah, it was like right before the tourist area. I don't think you can fish that one because they have boats and all that. I don't know. But where we were at, there was still restaurants and, oh yeah, as you guys saw. But overall.